told you where to find that perfect dress this festive season. So it's quite obvious that we also tell you how and where to jazz it up. Accessorize is a design-led UK-based retailer. With stores in over 64 countries, it's a globally sourced fashion accessory store that has every kind of thing ranging from bags and belts to hair trinkets. Small store at Express Avenue, the vibrant hues of Accessorize quite makes you stop and look.
I love Accessorize. It's my favourite shop back in the UK. It's where I get all my things. I love Monsoon too. And also I'm really happy that it's come here to Chennai because it's where I get all the little things for my daughter's stocking filler at Christmas.
Accessories are a must-have for everyone. They add that color, style and a little bling to your outfit and help you achieve that certain look. The store has an inspirational collection that helps you attain an assortment of styles varying from the bohemian to the boudoir look. It's not what you wear but how you wear that actually matters. Now if your attire itself is too heavy, then make sure you keep your accessories to a minimal. A simple chain or just a simple earring would be just fine. Ear piercing is the oldest known form of body beautifying, with references from cultures around the world. Similarly, the accessories here are categorized based on the influences they arise from, and each piece of jewelry is quite avant-garde. Earrings are a must-have for any woman, but make sure they complement your dress and don't steal the show away. Now, the earrings at Accessorize are all handmade and are categorized according to their color. The one thing that caught my attention was the 1942 collection, inspired by the wartime. The tone and color of the jewelry was youthful and evoked a casual look. On the other hand, the elegant Twilight and Silver series created a sense of fantasy. Fashion accessories can transform a plain Jane into a complete stunner, and earrings do just that. Now here at Accessorize, they have a wide variety of earrings ranging from simple studs to dressy earrings made of Swarovski crystals.
Products are all handmade. Maximum our products are handmade. We run our own trust. We give up to our trust member to make them. The stuff and the designs come from UK and all material comes from the UK.
Accessories speak volumes about a person's sense of dressing style. Now one quintessential accessory which is not only fashionable yet useful is a bag. You can notch up your style statement with trendy bags and clutches. This Christmas, clutches could be a perfect party accessory, and the ones here range from plain black to sequenced and lacy clutches. Accessorize also has an assortment of bags: day bags, evening bags, shopper bags and weekend bags. Accessories are definitely not synonymous with women, and scarves and stoles for men are proof to that. Based on the pattern, fabric and wrapping style, the shawls bring about quite a difference. The ones here are quite impressive with the bold prints and are available in different fabrics like velvet, silk, viscose and even metallic. Now for both men and women, stoles and scarves can add that color to their outfit and help you get that balanced look. And what's even better is that it can be quite attention-grabbing. interesting hair accessories like floral patterned hairpins to funky hair bands. Hair accessories help you with that perfect hairdo while also contributing to an overall appearance. Most often, we stick to the conventional and forget hair accessories, but one good hair accessory can completely change the way you look. The chains make an interesting buy with pendants like the Eiffel Tower and the Statue of Liberty. The rings on offer are also different from what you find in most stores. The slipper collection is not too impressive, but if it's casual beachwear flip-flops that you're on the lookout for, you would find a decent selection. They also have a few hats and dressy belts on offer, but they're not much to rave about. What's nice about this store is they also have a collection for kids ranging from pretty pink bling shoes to cute little bags. Offers accessories even for children. They have a wider selection of winter wear like innovative mufflers, gloves and shoes. They make an interesting wear and can spruce up a boring look. They also have a limited stock of stickers, wallets, hair accessories and fun stationery for kids. There's never a right or wrong accessory, but remember, an accessory can make or break how you look. Well, I'm done with my accessory shopping for this Christmas. It's your turn now.